how about some fun add-ons to play with? Hello guys and welcome back. In this video, I have for you 8 add-ons that might be helpful in a fun way. And before we start, we did make a playlist for all the free tools we shared on this channel. Links are in the description. Starting with this one, the Stylized grass geometry node, available on this page on Gumroad for free, so you can grab it now and use it in any project you're working on. This asset comes with a subtle idle wind animation using UVs, clean shadows, multiple options to customize it, controls for a stronger wind, animated highlights in the wind, and all this works with any similar texture, so have fun. Next we have the Simple Ripple Simulation, a node set up to apply liquid ripple physics to any geometry, and we did make a video around this topic before if you want to learn the basic of it, but for the time being, this is a shortcut to make some cool water effects with ease. This one is based on the new simulation node, so you need the latest Blender version to run it. The brush drawing tool, one of the coolest one on this list. With this tool we can draw vegetation on the mesh directly with any shape we have in mind, available on Gumroad for free, so give it a shot, you might like it. Next we have the Natural Set from CG, which contain 37 free models to help you creating your scene, and that includes flowers, plants, grass, trees and rocks with all the textures packed into the file, so you might add it to your library. The Hair Generator, one of the awesome ways to create hair on characters. This one is a geometry node-based tool to quickly generate hair strands from curves or mesh. You can get it now from this page and play with it if you're into hair, or feet. 'Cause sometimes feet do have hair. The Tension Weight add-on, a tool that generates vertex groups and vertex colors where there is compression of stretching on a surface. This one is kinda mid-level, so you need to understand the difference between the two tension modifiers before you use it, and the author did explain it on the main page, so try to read it before using the tool. The Welder tool, a basic add-on to create weld-like connection between meshes when they overlap. Available on Gumroad, and super easy to use, so try it if you're working on any pipe scene. Last but not least, we have this asset library, the Baked Blender Pro, which contains 3D models, materials, geometry nodes, particle systems, and many more on the way, so get it now. It's really fun. And that's it. Like the video if you're still here, and see you guys next time. Stay sharp, goodbye.